Hi everybody, it is Thursday, December 11th, but it's really Friday, December 12th at 5 a.m. I am recording yesterday's the next day. So good morning everybody. Yesterday was a great day, but I completely forgot that I had meetings after work that ran just late into the evening, and I didn't get home until late. And then with knit night the night before, I was exhausted. Girlfriends and her daughter stayed late, which was fun, but then I had to edit, and so I was up way too late. I think I was up till 11 or close to midnight, and I get up at 5 in the morning. I didn't have much sleep, so by the time yesterday was done, I was literally pooped. So I had to go to bed so I could get up today and be ready for my Friday. I need to sip of my coffee. So I'm going to open up yesterday's, December 10th, our Thursdays, our 10-day and our 3-day of our solstice boxes. I want to share my coffee mug with you. I have a massive collection of these. You would say I'm a little obsessed with this Pottery. The platter I shared the other day that I had the little mini charcuterie on also is from the same artist. It is, I apologize, I forget her first name, but I will drop her link in the description. The company is Wheelhouse Pottery. She's a small artist in the Northeast, and her work is just absolutely gorgeous. I came across her one day on Instagram, who knows when, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago, and I think I have so many mugs, and I have little cups that I use for wine, and I have bowls that I use for like cereal, and I don't eat cereal, but they could be great for cereal if you ate cereal. I know my dad would if he ever stayed over, but I use it for like granola and yogurt and ice cream and soup and pasta. They're just awesome. And then I got this new platter, blah, 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 platter the other day. It came, I ordered it. She makes everything to order. She does pre-orders only. And I had ordered it sometime this, I don't know, it must have been in August or September for pre-order. And it came right before Thanksgiving, right before I was leaving. I was so excited because, of course, like everything, I forgot that I ordered it. I forget everything. Anytime I'm shopping online, I forget what I order. So it's always a pleasant surprise when boxes arrive, because I never remember what they are. Oh, that's either a good thing or a bad. It's probably a really bad thing. So I want to show you what I was working on the other night when the girls came over. So we only had half of our group. As the day went on, things came up, which happens. And one of my girlfriends, her daughter is a freshman in college, and she finished her finals early, so she got to come home. So they went to go pick her up from school. So they wanted to spend, of course, their first night back with her, which is totally understandable. I'm so happy for them. And then the other gals, they just, life happened, things with the kids and the hubbies, and so they just weren't able to make it, but we will hopefully reschedule soon. But those that could, we had a great time. And what I ended up doing that night, because I needed something simple, is I cast on this project. So I'm making that same shawl that I made for my mom. I still have to block it. That'll be this weekend project. So that is this project here, and super simple little shawl. Cast on 7 stitches just to create an I-cord at, 3-stitch I-cord edge on each side, and then you increase on 1 stitch with a knit front and back on the left side each time. So that first row you knit 3, knit front and back, and then slip 3 in the front, and then on the back side you knit across to the last 3 and slip those. And then when you come back across again, you want to knit to your last 4. Every time you're on your right side, knit to your last 4, and on that 4th stitch at the end, you knit front and back, and then you slip your last 3. So I'm just going to keep increasing till I use up these. And then when I start my second skeins, then I will start decreasing. So that's the plan with that. And then our Advent shawl, sorry friends, not very far. Let's see, this is the front. I finished this day. So the gold is done, the green is next, and then I will get to this color next. Good thing it's the weekend. I'll have plenty of time to get us all caught up, and we'll be well ahead by the end of the weekend. So that'll be exciting. That'll be great. Yeah. So that's it for progress. It's just been a busy week. So not a whole lot of time for knitting, but thankfully it's the weekend. So that means more time. Sorry, I need my coffee. It's early. The body needs fuel. Okay, so let's open. Today we're back to minis, I believe. So we have House of a la Mode. Oh, this looks like another gorgeous color. Beautiful. That's just blends. So day 9, day 9, because day 10 were those fun stickers. And then this is day 11. Oh, what a fun little fade. I love it. Beautiful. Oh, I love that. I can't wait. And then spinning. Okay, so day 11 is Elephant Song. So let's open up this one. Oh, this is fun too. Right after that bright yellow, now we go into some more brights. Very fun. Some more fun colors with that. That'll be really pretty. I'm having so much fun spinning up Vanessa's fiber box. It's been great fun. So let's see, where I started day 8. I was trying to start day 8, but my bobbin is too full. So I have days 1 through 7 on one bobbin, and now I'm ready to start day 8. So I have to get a new bobbin prepped or out there. Where I moved so normally my spinning wheel is right here where we're set up, but because I don't want to keep moving things back and forth, I moved it out to my living room. So it's out in that space. So it's set up out there regularly, tucked in a corner. So that's good, but all the tools and everything are in here. So I'll have to get that worked out. Okay, so day 2 for the solstice box. This color is one of my favorites. I'll read our little card for today. Day 2, savor the stillness. Even in stillness, there is movement. Today's fiber is a quiet breath, soft and full of promise. Let your hands lead, let the silence soothe. And this is such a pretty color. It's a desert sage. It's a light, it's like a greenish sage color. Yeah, I was taking pictures earlier. So there's a little bit of stuff on it. But yeah, so that was day 2. So anyways, yes, December 11, day 11 of Vlogmas. We are wrapped. I will edit this and post it for everybody. Appreciate your patience with me. And I'll be back with you later tonight to wrap up day 12. It's Friday. So anyways, thanks everybody. I so appreciate you being here. It's fun to come and share bits and pieces of my days with you. You get to see me bright and bushy-tailed in the morning, and you'll get to see me all pooped and exhausted at the end of the day next. But maybe I'll pop in during the middle of the day today. But anyways, thank you for being here. It means the world to me, and I will see you later. Happy Vlogmas, friends. Bye.